You make the minimum payment, you see the thank you message, and you expect the balance to drop in a satisfying way. Then you check again a week later, and it feels like nothing changed. Same stress, same number, different month. That's the minimum payment trap. And it's not because you're lazy or bad with money. It's because credit card interest gets paid first, and minimums are designed to keep you in the cycle. Here's the clean math with real-ish numbers. Say you have a $3,000 credit card balance at 24% APR. APR is annual, but interest hits in monthly cycles. Roughly 24% APR is about 2% per month. So if you carry $3,000, interest for the month is about $60. Now let's say your minimum payment is $90. You pay $90, but about $60 goes to interest. Only about $30 reduces your balance. That's why it feels like quicksand. You did the right thing, but the progress is tiny.
And here's the part that makes people feel crazy. If you keep using the card while paying minimums, it can erase that progress immediately. If you add even $100 of new spending, gas, a dinner, a couple small online purchases, you can wipe out more than the $30 you just made. So you're making payments, but your balance basically treads water. Now let's make it more realistic with a quick month snapshot. Start, $3,000 balance. Interest, about $60. Minimum payment, $90. Progress, about $30 down. New charges, $100. Net result, your balance is up about $70. That's the trap. Not one big mistake, just the math of minimums plus normal life.
So what do you do instead? You don't need a perfect budget. You need a simple setup that does two things. It stops new debt from forming, and it forces extra principal payments automatically. Move 1. Stop new debt from forming for a short season. Consider switching daily spending to a debit card, and remove the credit card from the apps that make spending too easy. Delivery, shopping, rideshare. You're not quitting credit cards forever. You're stopping the refill while you drain the balance. Move 2. Pay more than the minimum, automatically. Pick one extra payment amount you can repeat, maybe $25, maybe $100, and schedule it for the day after payday. Timing matters because it prevents the "I'll do it later" problem, and later becomes spending. Common mistakes are making a huge payment plan you can't repeat, and trying to win with willpower. Quick fix? Choose an extra amount you can do for the next 90 days. Automate it and keep it boring. Calm recap. Minimum payments mostly pay interest, not your balance, so progress is slow. The way out is to stop adding new charges and automate an extra amount you can repeat. Educational only, not financial advice. Your 7-day challenge. Look up your APR, estimate your monthly interest, and set one automatic extra payment for next payday, even if it's small. I'll leave a tiny calculator template in the pinned comment.